two poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
To invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi? I hope she made lots of
Ass.
Luigi. It's from Bowser. Dear pesky plumbers.
Wipe that disgusting grin off your face.
Oh, fuck's sake!
Private Pile, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. Exactly 3 fucking seconds.
Don't talk shit about Total! Where's my fucking glasses?
We gotta find the princess.
Yummy.
You know what they say?
You are what you eat.
And you gotta help. Looks are deceiving when Koopas are involved.